Girls, has your boyfriend ever cried in front of you? One random night, the man who's always been my rock, cold, stoic, unbreakable, completely crumbled in my arms. Seeing him like that shattered me. I wrapped myself around him as tightly as I could, kissed his forehead, whispered that everything would be okay, and gently ran my fingers through his hair, knowing how much comfort it brought him. He had been working non-stop for months, 60-hour weeks, no days off, so I thought it was the stress finally catching up with him. But then he spoke, and I realized it was something much deeper. I've only ever had one real dream, he said, his voice breaking. I wanted to play professional soccer. I had a scholarship abroad, and just days before I was supposed to go, everything shut down. My scholarship was revoked. Do you know how few people get that opportunity from here? His words hit me like a punch. I had it in my hands, he continued, and then gone. When things reopened, he gave it another shot, but fate wasn't done with him yet. He blew out his ACL, and with it, the last hope of ever playing professionally. Now all I can do is watch highlights, imagining myself there because that's as close as I'll ever get, he said, his voice barely a whisper. My heart ached for him in ways I can't even describe. In that moment, I understood why he's been so guarded, so cold. It wasn't just life's grind. It was the agony of a dream lost, a future stolen from him in a moment.